Hello, welcome to my 11th C# tutorial, and this is going to be a really quick tutorial, and I'm just going to show you a different way to create the program that we did the last time. So first of all, we're going to get rid of these, and we're going to get rid of this, and we'll keep this, and we can get rid of this, and we'll get rid of this. Okay, or actually no, sorry for being so indecisive, but I'm going to show you how you can use it in different methods, because it won't be able to show you how it works very well with only one. So last time we created variables and we couldn't see them in here because they only existed in here. Now if we want variables to exist in this whole class, so any method can use them without having to pass them, stuff like this here, we create them outside a method in our class. Okay, so this means any method inside this class can see it. So what we're going to do is we're going to write static int age1 equals 23. And I'm just going to copy and paste this because I'm lazy. We're going to change that to 48 and age2. Okay, so here we have it. So ages, it's going to return a value, and I'm also going to show you how to do this quicker as well than before. Now that you're starting to understand the basics, I don't need to write code so simply. Right, this isn't finished here, but again, actually we need that code program this class equals new program. Okay, so we are going to step this up a notch. Right, first of all we're going to write this method. Now we are going to skip out all that whole creating a variable and setting it equal to that. You can do it all in one. So let's just write age2 minus age1. Okay, that's what we're returning. There's no point giving it. Actually, we don't need those. There's no point writing all that extra code when you don't need to. You can return a calculation. Oops, that's not what I want to do. Okay, it will calculate this first before it returns it. How much easier is that? Actually, yeah, we can get rid of this because we don't need them. We've got the information here ready to be accessed. Okay, so we need to, before we would have needed to create an int variable called, I'm just doing this for example, this class dot sub ages, and okay, that was what we would have had to do. Why do that? We don't need to. We can just go straight ahead and cut out all this variable stuff again. No, inside a method, inside our method, the console.writeLine method, we can call another method. Okay, so we don't need variables around everywhere. We can just call it straight away. It's going to calculate it, and whatever value is returned is going to be printed out. Save that and run it. There you go, 25. Now that last program we wrote, the last version of this, had so many variables and stuff, made it really confusing, when really we could have wrote that in about half the code. I needed to show you both ways because sometimes this doesn't work for everything you want to do, but a lot of times it does, and I've shown you a few shortcut methods or shortcut tactics or tips, whatever you want to call them, as well. Very, very simple. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and check out my next tutorial. I think we're going to start getting on to the fun stuff, and we're going to design our first graphical user interface, and I'm going to explain how they work. Thanks for watching.